Welcome to Yogi Yogi. Hi, I'm Milan.
And I'm Autumn.
And today we will be teaching you beginner yoga poses
that will help you warm up your body.
Let's begin.
First, we are going to start with sun salutation. You're going to start by putting your hands together and putting them against your chest.
Take 3 breaths. Now you're going to extend your arms into the air and open up your fingers nice and wide so that you can touch the sky.
Take 3 breaths. Now you're going to go into ragdoll. You're going to lean forward and let your body hang down.
Take 3 breaths. From here, we're going to go into plank. Walk your hands forward and your feet backwards, and make sure your body is straight.
Make sure that your hands and your shoulders are aligned. Take 3 breaths. From here, we're going to go down into a push-up position, and you are going to push up and let your chest touch the sky into Daddy Cobra.
Take 3 breaths. Now we're going to go into downward dog. To go into downward dog, you're just going to tuck in your feet and push your body up like this.
And walk your feet in a little bit. Take 3 breaths. From here, you're going to walk your hands and your feet in, and you are going to go back into ragdoll. Remember, just let your body hang. Don't worry about touching the floor.
Take 3 breaths. Now you are going to slowly come up and put your hands up to the sky and open your fingers wide.
Take 3 breaths. From here, you're going to put your hands together and you're going to bring them down back to your chest.
Take 3 breaths.
Great job!
Now, our next pose is called wide leg side stretch. So our feet are together right now, but we are going to separate our feet like this. And you're just going to fold yourself down to the ground and try to touch your mat. It's totally okay if you can't touch your mat, because the more you practice this pose, the closer you'll get to touching your mat.
Take 5 breaths. Now we are going to go into half moon. You are going to stand up from here. We are going to start on the right side. You're going to turn to the right side of your mat. You're going to step forward with your left foot, and you're going to put your left hand down. From here, you're going to put your right arm up and make sure your fingers are nice and wide, and then you are going to flex your foot and lift up your leg.
Take 3 breaths.
Now you're going to come down. Now we just need to do the other side. The same exact rules apply, but this time, it's the opposite. Step forward with your right foot this time. Put your right hand down and lift your left arm up. And now just flex your left foot and lift it in the air.
Take 3 breaths. Now we're going to do 3-legged dog. All you have to do is go down, touch the ground, walk your hands forward, and go into downward dog. Except this is going to be 3-legged dog. So we're going to start with our right side. You're going to point your foot and lift it up straight into the air and try to get as high as you can.
Take 3 breaths.
And place your foot down. Now, we're going to do your other side, which is the same exact thing. Point your foot and lift it up straight into the air.
Take 3 more breaths.
And bring your foot down.
Now, you are going to sit down on your heels. Now we are going to do child's pose. You're just going to lean forward and you're going to extend your arms out straight.
Take 5 breaths. Now that we are close to the end of this video, we are going to go into peace and quiet. So you're going to do that by going crisscross applesauce, and you're going to do OK signs with both of your hands. You're going to gently place them on your knees, and as you inhale, you're going to bring them to your chest, and when you exhale, you're going to bring your OK signs back to your knees.
Make sure that you have really good posture while doing this and your back is completely straight. We're going to do 6 inhales and exhales.
Do you feel warmed up? Let us know down in the comments.
Let us know which pose was your favorite pose.
Make sure to give this video a like,
comment,
and subscribe. See you soon. Bye, Yogis!